going on, everybody? We will be starting very shortly. Just give us a few more minutes.
That chart talk, that chart talk. All right. Wow. All right. Okay. My mic was off, and I thought I turned it on like 20 times, but okay. What's going on, P? My bad. My mic was off, and I thought I turned it on like 20 times. You ready to get this thing going?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead, full screen you on my computer. Actually, yeah. Let me go ahead and do that. That's fine. And then do this. Actually, remove pin, switch to share content, pin you, switch. There you go. That's what I wanted to do. Okay. I had to figure out how to do some jazz over here on Zoom, but we're good to go. All right, so we're gonna be backtesting head-to-head style, just like how we did last week. We're gonna be running that same type of play. So, did you want to like start off where we were last time, or how did you want to run things?
Well, yeah, we can do that. Or I was gonna say let's try another asset.
Yeah, because we trade these assets and we backtest them a lot. So yeah, let's go ahead and do another asset. That's actually pretty perfect. Your choice.
See if I can hide this real quick. Give me 1 second. Hide the video panel. All right, perfect. And then hide this stuff. Okay, let's do. You know what? Everyone loved gold. Nah. Let's. What did we do last time? EU or US 30?
Last time we did EU.
Okay. You want to do like GJ or US 30?
Let's do GJ. Why not? Let's do GJ.
Okay. Let's see how far it'll let us go on GJ.
So see if you can go all the way like to 2020 or something type status.
Mm-hmm. Okay, and then yeah, we're on the 15 here. Let's go to the 5. Okay, cool.
Oh no, nope. Never mind. Well,
okay, so let me go to
the 4 hour.
Let me break it down again. Okay, can't go that far. So let's try around here.
Where's that at?
We're in the beginning of 2021.
Okay. That's suitable.
That's about as far probably it'll let us go on the 5. I don't want to stay all day trying to figure that out, but the exact time is January 15th at 12.
January 15th at 12.
Midday.
Okay. January 15th on 12 midday. I'm gonna have to wait until your turn is done. So I'm gonna go ahead.
Oh, got you.
January 15th. Okay.
Yep. I'll mark this off too, so we can have it.
Yeah, perfect.
Noted.
And so, so guys, just so that we can, bring reiterate what we do here. So what we're doing is we're going head-to-head backtesting. You know, it's just as if we're playing one-on-one at the gym, like on a basketball court or something like that. And we're just, whenever Payton takes a turn trading, then I'll take the next turn trading, and we're gonna go along on the same time. We're gonna go along based off of where the last person went. So that's kind of how we're gonna run this down. So, and we're gonna be mainly on the 5-minute to 1 hour time frames, I believe. Sometimes even swings, but you know, swings we're not really trying to do because the swings do take up a lot of time for somebody else to be able to get on. So, do you want to add anything to that, P?
No, man.
All right, all right.
All right, real quick. I guess I'll start. I'm gonna start on looking. I'm just gonna start on the 4 hour. I'm not gonna go any deeper than that, really.
Okay.
We have this high here.
Oh, hold on. Give me a second, bro. I do apologize. This music is way too loud, and I forgot to turn it down.
Okay, we're good.
There we go. Yeah, now we're good.
Bet. Okay. So then we have this swing high here that if price does break that, we're most likely coming up into this level. And in fact, I would rather mark off this volume level. And then, but I mean, technically this high is still valid to mark off. It's a good amount of pips away from each other, but we have this flag-ish pattern off of this high. At this point, it is way too, high for me to really care about this fib level, of course, so it's not going to be drawn, but I do see how it's kind of, obviously it's in a little uptrend on the 4 hour, but it's kind of losing some steam, and I want to see if it can start to roll over. This level of volume looks like it got tapped into, and now we're making a move below. Volume to the left. Okay, big area here. If it slips through that, it's probably coming down to here. If it slips through that, it's probably coming down to here. So pretty easy volume profile levels right there. Let's go down to the lower time frame and look at it. If we're playing this uptrend to continue, we would be looking at something like this, or even this. So what I'm going to do here is just kind of mark this 78.6 off, and I will just use the color that I have, and I'll mark off this 78.6 as well. And then I do want to mark off this level of volume just chilling right there that hasn't been tapped in. Okay, so let's go to the lower time frame, and we have this somewhat of a distribution area right here, and we're getting this breakout to the downside. So I like that for a possible short. I'm just going to take it from the very top to the bottom to make it easy for me. Some people might take it from here. That's fine, whatever, doesn't matter. What I'm seeing though is this area right here doesn't have much. So this is, you got to wait for it to get back above there if we're going to short it, in my opinion. If it gets into this first yellow zone, which is the 78.6, that's going to be, I'm going to make this a little lighter. That's going to be a possible area that I might buy from. Okay.
I am noticing that the trend is like possibly breaking. Whatever. um, okay, now we're going to the 5-minute little quick analysis there. And what I want to see for an entry down here is I want to see some divergence. So this move down made the impulse come out on the MACD, broke the momentum to the downside. So we're most likely going to see another leg down. If we get that leg down, I want it to be less than this one. Wave, leg, same thing. I should use wave. Okay. Time of day, it is 12 midday. Let's see what we got going on here. Keep it at 3x. Okay. So really with GJ, there's like a weird window because sometimes the yen can move this thing. Sometimes the pound can move this thing. And then sometimes the dollar will move this thing. So I don't know. GJ is interesting to me. We'll see how this goes. So into this zone. All right, let me pause real quick. We are getting some divergence. Let me go to the 15-minute to see if there's divergence here. Yes, a little bit. The volume, though, this is something we're going to look at a little bit more. And how this works out. So the volume was increasing pretty nicely as it came down into this entry. Now that it's coming into this yellow zone, when we have this type of divergence, the volume's kind of dropping. I like that, but I do not like the initial increase in volume into the zone. So let's see how this plays out. I'm gonna go ahead and probably just take this trade just to see what it does. We'll put an order right here. And what's the one thing I want to kind of not get used to, but get better at is just being okay with the unexpected outcomes that the market's going to bring. And look, this is good because if it does hold and get back above here, the 2-to-1 should hit really, really easily. So let's see how this plays out. I'm going to delete this now. Okay.
Yeah, this doesn't look too bad. That's a pretty nice.
Yeah, it's whatever. Like I said though, this right here is not good. So I'm good. For me, backtesting is more for notes than for anything. And this is the first trade, so hey, I'm with it. You know, I'm down for it. Let's see what we got going here. Let's see if we get into this. And okay, we get the entry. Let's assess this entry real quick.
Yeah, zoom that in real quick.
Okay.
You got them Superman eyes.
Yeah, freaking crazy. So this is what I want to look at. We got this increase in volume right here as prices moving down, and then we're breaking this again, increase a little bit, but overall it's not like anything crazy, which is good. Let's see what happens here.
Right to that volume. It's gonna give you an opportunity, maybe. Yep, it's gonna give you opportunity to giz out.
Time was this all in London?
Ooh, come on. Give that man a chance. There you go.
Probably would be getting out. Let's see what the backtest does.
What the backtest does, real life situation though.
Woo! You know what I'm saying? Now we're past New York. What a scary day for the...
What day is it?
For the GJ.
It's Monday?
Now we're
okay.
Monday.
Monday's 18th. Okay, that's after Martin Luther King.
So now at this point, if it does come back into here, which is, wow, that's awesome.
That's very nice. That is very nice.
Beautiful. That's going to hit for sure. So I'm not worried about that. Just like how EU today, we could have just held it a little bit more. We knew it was gonna go, but
Yeah, it's all right.
Yeah,
it's all love.
Okay, well then. Oh wow.
Come on, go hit that. Oh, but you have it at 2.06. Stop it. Yeah, there you go. I was like, wait, that looks a little bit more than 2.
There
1
we
to
go.
2. All right, so that's your dub. Nice, very nice. Man, that's actually like.
That was tough.
Okay, so far, based off of my personal notes, it's 1-1. I just want to point this out. It's 1-1 for trades that I've taken that I've gotten out early. That one has saved me, and then the other one would have went and hit when it hit my targets. You know, so just personal notes, and just something that I wanted to point out. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and share my screen if I can find it. There it is.
Yeah, let me throw this back up here. Stop share. All right, the screen is all yours, sir.
Okay. So there we go. So we're on GJ, and you said at what time of day is it?
It is the time of day. I got it right here. We got it the 19th at 4:20.
Hey, the 19th of January, 4:20.
Yes, sir.
That's funny.
Dude, sorry, my throat is killing me today.
Weak lungs, and I'm joking. I just playing with you. I'm like hella kidding with you. Because that's hella cap. Alright, so we are currently at. Oh, I'm in January 15th. I'm tripping. Oh, but you were on a Monday, so never mind. I'm not doing that terrible, not yet. Oh, I forgot that you can't go forward. You have to actually, like, fast forward it. Alright, 19th at 4:20. Very nice bullish move. Okay, so let me do my own analysis. 4-hour time frame, I see this bearish move, but price never broke structure, so I'm iffy about price not breaking that structure right there. I do, however, see price possibly making this move to the downside still to the 78.6, but since it came this close to the 71% and bounced up like that, I would probably not be wanting to take that trade at that point. Going on to the higher, just the higher time frames on a daily time frame, I see that price has made this double top right here, and the way how I'm not against selling it, but first of all, get out of here. I don't know what that is, but from this high to this low, just taking a look at it, like price is coming into this fibs area, so I'm not really necessarily against the sell, but I feel like this move that this happened right here was that move. So I wouldn't even be trying to, I wouldn't try to swing play that either. I wouldn't try to swing sell it at this point. I'd probably just be like, hey, it's probably going to keep going bullish type of play. And even just in general, it's bullish. The volume, I can say that at these lows, that's where the volume was high, and then as it's rising, there's really no increase in volume on the daily. But I'm really, again, this structure, if it was broken, then it'd be a different story for me. Then, but it's not, so I'm okay with just. I want to see what this lower time frame sell looks like with the volume. Volume is decreasing as price is increasing. Put in this daily volume over here. This has yet to be. Oh, wait, never mind. It has been tapped. I'm tripping. This has not been tapped yet. If price can make a retracement for a sell without breaking these lows, for a buy without breaking these lows, I'll take it to the upside realistically. The downside move. It's losing me here. Like, it's really, because of this double top right here that I'm seeing. I'm just like, that move has already happened, the higher time frame. And then price is coming back in here, and it's been holding above the zone right now. I'm just like, ooh, man, this sell right here. As price is rising, volume is decreasing, 15-minute time frame. Not that much. I mean, there is volume, there is a good amount of volume here that would prevent price from going bullish. So I'm gonna take this. Yeah, I'm gonna take it. I'm down for it.
Yeah, I will say one thing. Usually don't see a volume profile that looks like that, I feel like.
Yeah.
With just that much price in the picture. Usually you need a lot more price to the left to have that much volume to the top like that.
To the top right there, yeah. So
yeah, so this will be interesting. I'm interested to see
what happens
without the craziest best retracement though. Obviously, if it makes one more move up, it'll probably give a volume divergence, but I'm interested to see what's good.
I want to see what that volume looks like as well as price is getting there. Right now it's 245.
Perfect.
Let's see what happens.
Ooh.
Okay.
Put it on 3x.
Oh yeah, you're right. Oh my lord. Yeah, 3x is so much better. First of all, this color's killing me right now.
Hilarious.
There we go. Oh, thank you, Lord.
Hilarious. Yeah, too much yellow is a little bit loud.
Period. I'm just playing that.
I'll be surprised it doesn't tap that up there.
It really would surprise me. Okay, it's starting to move around.
Oh. Ooh.
Oh, don't do this to me. Don't do it to him.
Okay, look, I was gonna say
it hasn't gone there yet, but go ahead.
I was gonna say before it, I want to just maybe start thinking about like not even really playing it, but just let's start looking at like areas of sell stops that we could play if we're looking for this to drop. You know what I'm saying? Like
sell stop,
if it breaks a certain low,
yeah,
blah,
I'd be looking for 141.573 to break for a price to continue.
I would think maybe right there at the 141.2 ish.
Right there, like right here ish.
Yeah,
Okay.
Where that volume profile just dies.
Oh
off.
yeah, you're right. Oh shit, yeah. If it gets there, so yeah. Okay.
I want to see what it does. I'm just saying out loud. Okay, you're in.
I'm in. Let me extend this. I mean, I should really just move it to the right a little bit. Okay. Let's see what this looks like.
I like the small falling wedge.
Ooh. Okay.
It did
not care for anything up there. It said, yeah, let me just... Okay, I mean, if it holds right here, I'm good. But, I mean, once it comes to stop loss, this thing is taking off.
Zoom out a little more.
Let me go ahead and give you...
That's fine.
Yeah, the 1 hour is just... There's nothing to the upside right here.
No, yeah, keep it on that 15 or 5 and keep all of that on the screen right there. Pretty much. The whole swing... Zoom out and let me see the top left right there. That's good enough.
It's like if it breaks this 142.156, it's gone. But if it does drop, it could really drop. I mean at this point I don't think it is going to drop. This might be a break even for me if price comes back, because volume is increasing right now, and this is London, so that's another thing. So we're gonna see how this plays out. Yeah, that's stop loss. There you go. Okay, so that's one loss for me. And write that down. Where's the text? Oh, there you are. All right, so I'm gonna change this to yellow. Ha!
GJ, we're back testing my freaking...
Your enemy?
One of my arch enemies.
What are your arch enemies? That's like me backtesting UCAD, bro.
That might never happen.
Never.
Because that is my actual arch enemy, so.
And
it might still be forever.
Fair. Okay. Ooh, let me put this down. I'm gonna put this at actually 20 is solid, and then let's have it on the 4 hour down over here. Okay, that is all you good,
What
sir.
day are you on?
Oh, I am on 1 second. From what I'm seeing on here, it looks like I'm on
21st.
Let me just look at the damn chart. I'm on the 20th at 5:15.
Got you.
All right.
I see. Look, I had it fibbed out too, though, so I probably would have played it on my end. Let me see if anything looks different on this short. I would have been saying there's hella divergence. I like it. I would have said I like it a lot.
The only thing that I feel like you would have said that you wouldn't mess with is because of how it got up there. It's not necessarily ABC.
Yeah, definitely. That
But
would have been
and
like,
it then just did a rising wedge getting up there, so you'd be like, okay, that's acceptable.
yeah,
Like, damn, that is what you would say.
it would have got
actually.
me. Yeah, it would have got me on that for sure. Okay, so
hey man, and we're being real with ourselves because that is a play I would play too. So we're just being real with ourselves.
okay, it is in this area still. I'm gonna delete these little fib levels that I had marked off. It did this. I mean, look at this. I didn't notice that, but this point of control, my friend, just got
It held and
ridiculously slapped. That's one thing we really should
be paying attention to now.
Maybe one day start backtesting, because, like, look, what if we would have just said, all right, well, we're just gonna wait today. If it hits this point of control, we'll put our stop loss right below this low, and then we'll take it to the highs. It's
bro,
like,
don't
dude,
say it like that. Don't say it like that, though.
But like, that's literally, we've been seeing these point of controls get hit with the sniper.
Bro, I remember when you
interesting.
first introduced this to me. I was like, why are these things holding so well? Like, ridiculously well, actually.
Right.
And I don't know why I never really dove into it. Like, I don't know why I didn't think about it too much and be like, let me actually try to make this into a strategy. I don't know why, but that's like one of the first things I ever thought. I'm like, damn, these things are actually holding really well.
Let me just see if this.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah, you know what time it is, bro. Remember when I
right off that thing.
And then remember when I was talking about it, about how right here, hold on, man, this needs to move. Where I was talking about, like, right here, it's already been tapped. Like previous, like it was already, like, this area was already previously like tapped. I was like, I don't necessarily like that. So, but then over here wasn't. So I'm like, ooh, yeah, we might have to really pay attention to that for sure.
All right, I'm gonna pay attention right here on this guy, and then yeah, this thing is most likely going.
It's going.
Let me go to the 5-minute now. I'm at 440, so not too much further. Okay, we're getting some bearish divergence. There's a correction here. That's nice. Okay, so it barely got you, bro.
It would have really played my life.
Yeah, real talk. So it gave some bearish divergence. It gave some bearish divergence right here, and then started to correct. I don't know how I feel about playing anything other than maybe right here. I want to see what happens right there. I'm gonna start opening up my arsenal a little bit, maybe.
I mean, shit, my boy.
All right, let's see what we got going.
That's looking like the AB fib right there. I would definitely take that right there. Like, I would hella take that buy.
This is your share right here, huh?
Yeah, that is definitely an AB fib right there.
Okay, so what I'm seeing is a little divergence. Price is moving down, but the volume is a little bit higher than I want it to be, I think. It is New York session, so that makes sense. It's not really hitting with my rules yet, but I bet you anything this is gonna spank. So let's just see what happens. LOL, not today, buddy.
Woo!
Okay.
Man, that would have saved me another L.
Okay, so now this supply is holding. Jesus, and this volume is picking up. So there's nothing really stopping this. I don't really want to look at that yet, so I'm not gonna. I'll look for shorts if it comes back into this level, kind of somewhere up here. I'll just draw this like that, but it's not really where it is. Just wait for it to correct. Okay, I like the correction look already. Sharp little V. We could start to see it pop up right here. A lot of volume right here on this stopping action. Let's go ahead and just get a nice little fib level going right here.
Turn off a little bit for me, please. Oh, dang, I need to be looking at the chat. I forgot. But, okay, I'm good.
Okay, we got a 78.6 coming up. I like the way it's flagging out. I really like the way it's flagging out. I would love to take this all the way back down to here, but you already know, just 1 to 2 for the back testing. Big time flag. I'm taking this.
Oh, yeah, this is cash money, bro.
I'm taking this no matter what, every time. Doesn't matter. It's just a perfect opportunity.
That's clean. That's cash money. Yeah,
right,
look at that. Wait.
Oh, that's almost
Oh,
1 to 1.
that's
It didn't hit it yet. So, real life, maybe we would have moved it, but I'm just going to keep this going. Let's talk about it, though.
Yeah, let's talk about it. We're here.
Real quick, because, yeah, the impulse off of the supply, and then we just have the perfect flag. I mean, this is... Yeah, that's about as clean as it can get. And the thing I don't like about it is from here to here, the volume was increasing into the entry. The divergence is not really there. So that's not lovely. Usually on this last push up on a flag pattern, this last push up, the momentum will be decreasing, and I know you've seen that so many times with me, but let's just see what happens. This is technically still a really good pattern in a really good kind of lower time frame area, and I think to the left it is kind of a higher time frame area as well, but we have this area of volume still sitting. So if there is a move like this, maybe where it end up does hitting the stop loss, might be a buy stop opportunity. Let's see what happens. 1 to 1, I want to mark that off real quick just so we can see where that is. So technically by our rules, when the market gets here, we like to break it even. And we're off.
All right, Trey, come on, drop down. Drop it, give me 50. There you go.
Give it to me.
Ooh, wow.
Oh, barely missed
it.
it.
That's not a good sign.
Okay.
It's never a good sign.
See, this is what I said, right? I said if it starts to coil like this, it's most likely going to break to the upside.
And a good buy stop and a good buy stop opportunity.
Like a buy stop opportunity is coming in. I just want to maybe do 2 trades at once.
No, and that's not. And that wasn't part of your strategy.
Okay, well I'll go slow then. I'll go slow, just in case. Because if it breaks 1 candle, I might give it to you to let you play it if you want.
No, it's not part of the things we talked about.
I don't care. Open up that arsenal.
Oh. But damn, in real life, you would actually no, you wouldn't have broken even yet. I don't think you would have.
I think maybe not, but I would have been hot.
You would have been extra hot. Well, not extra actually. Let me stop.
GJ is weird. This thing is coiling up, dog.
GJ
this
be
is a
playing
big
games.
If it does this, oh my goodness.
GJ playing games sometimes. I feel like it's gonna drop though. That's funny.
Let me get this ugly ass snake off the screen. That is probably exactly gonna do. Get off of here. All right. Okay, at this point, man, we would probably have been cut this trade.
Oh, bro,
I'm not gonna call it break even just for the stats, but Jesus,
you
I don't hold 5-minute trades this long.
First of all, yeah, that's fact. Second of all, you might. I would have been like, bro, intuition, freaking break even,
intuition
hit twice.
break even.
Yeah.
Man, okay, let's just let this continue to go. But it has been how long?
It's been at least a day.
Almost, yeah.
Almost.
Golly, I'd be not sweating, but you know,
you'd
like,
be like, nah, bro,
I don't.
You'd be like, I do not want to be in this trade if I'm going to bed and I'm still in it. Like, you definitely would have.
I need the yin to pop.
It is. There we go. 10 years later.
The yin pop. All right. There
you go.
This goes to break even.
Break even 1-1.
For the die. Yes.
There you go. That's 1-2. Another one.
GJ. Okay.
Okay. You see it? I'm telling you, bro. GJ be giving you plays. GJ be out here. By the way, there is a GJ buy setup I'm seeing, so I'm just letting you know. I'm gonna bring that up. I know you saw the alert earlier. I know you saw it. All right.
Okay.
Let me go ahead and share my screen.
1-2.
All right, I need to come back now.
I got 4 points up on this board now. Let me bring this back up. Stop share. Boom.
All right. So I am 1 and 2. I mean, what time? What time did you stop at, or what day?
Just bring it down to where that it'll come down and then it'll flag out.
Oh, this bearish move right here.
Yeah, it flags out. And
that's a 15-minute play. It's not.
I
wouldn't call it a 5-minute. It's a 15-minute.
I guess it could have been a 15 for sure.
And I would have been hot, man. What?
Oh, your play really did say. Tink.
It really. That would have made me hot, but it's okay. It is what it is. All right. Let's see what we got.
And my play went on forever right here. So you were saying, hold on, what buy are you talking about? Play, call it out.
Wait, what you mean?
You said something about a buy, didn't you?
Oh yeah, I was saying that if price would have, like, I'd be looking for this kind of buy right here. If price would have came down a little lower, I would have played that, but nothing was there. So right now, I'm just waiting for price to either break out or, I mean, I've already seen what your play's about to do, so I needed to do that first, which I believe that
3x.
is. Thank you. I'm gonna need you to remind me of that, honestly. Whew. All right. Would I realistically play this buy? Let me go look at the 1 hour real quick. The downside one, if the downside still has possibility, there's not a lot of volume right here, but there's a lot of volume to the upside. I mean, there is this fib right here, not gonna cap, that I did see, but I don't think after playing a sell like what just happened with P, I would get right, because I mean I would play that too, and I don't think that I would get right in after that with this. So, but to say that I will play this, that's another thing. But I gotta see what this volume. It's not looking good for right here. It's not looking good. I'd rather just wait for a breakout at this point, because I wouldn't play this either. So I'm gonna have to be patient. I wouldn't sell either.
You're on the 15-minute.
Ooh, let me see something real quick. I wouldn't have sold, but that played out for the 1-1 at least. Yeah, I'm still gonna stand by it. I don't want to necessarily. I don't necessarily want to look for any sells yet. That would have just been 1-to-1. Break even would have hit. Yeah, just break out. Come on. You know what? Let me see what we got going on over here. Cause this thing over here about to.
You almost jumped. You almost jumped too far.
I almost think you're right. Man, to tell you that this thing is about to blast off, in my opinion, that's exactly what I think it's about to do. Let me see what. There's volume chilling right here still, but I mean, there's not a lot going to the upside. I would low-key want to play this buy stop highest of keys. So if I were to play it, let me see what we got going on over here. 1 hour time frame.
Play it off the 1.
Off the 1 what?
Hour.
Oh, I'm about to say 1 minute. You must be out your mind. I was literally about to be like, you must be out your mind, P.
Play the strategy off the 1 hour.
I'd play off of this, and then I'd probably put my stop loss right there. Actually, this is just for a safe stop loss. If I wanted to even have a better risk to reward, I'd put my stop loss here, realistically. And then I go, actually, you know what? This is exactly what I'm about to
look at
play.
the 5 minute and see if you can tighten that stop.
I'm about to, because...
If it, that's a little...
Because how many pips away is this right now? Let me see. 18 pips for GJ. That's nothing. So actually, that so size, bro. Oh man, GJ be like surprising me. I'm like, how is this already 30 pips?
For my competitiveness to feel good today, I really hope this just goes about 20, 30 pips.
And then drops this.
And then just reverses 50 pips.
Alright, let's see what we got going on. Let's see what we got going on here. Alright, so first of all, even this breakout right here that's happening right here, right now, is not bad. Real life. But I want this high to break. I'm not trying to be a sucker and wait for this to come up and then drop. I'm not about to get suckered. I'm not about to get suckered. I'm not about to get suckered.
You would have got suckered.
I would have got suckered so bad. Oh, that's hilarious.
Ooh,
that is hilarious.
You almost got suckered.
I'm not about to get suckered. I knew it.
Boy, you almost got.
Damn. That is funny.
You want to go to the 5 minute and see what that looks like?
Oh, you already know what time it is, bro. I'm about to play this. Wait, hold on. Wait a minute.
You might want those lows to break.
Let me see. 2 days? And then how many days is this? Hell no. Hold on. What am I talking about here? I want this low to break before I try to sell this, honestly.
Yeah, because it could still just pop, and that could
Wait, what
give you
time
a
is
good
it?
Stop loss too.
3:35. I don't think that
This low right here could give you a good stop loss, possibly if it does break those highs. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm. Let me see what this looks like.
This is what EU looked like today. Oh, what you gonna do?
Damn.
Too fast for me, but
damn,
we are not the
them
same.
boys is here. Them boys is here. They said they ready. They said they ain't wasting no time.
These bulls came right back though.
They came right the hell back. Hold on, what time? How much time is it? Am I about to take back-to-back losses though? 1 hour and 55. Let me see how long it took to get to the 71%. Come on, give me like at least 2 hours, please. No, it didn't. Nope. It did about the same amount of time. I could live with that. At the 71, I can live with that. I can live with that. I can live with that. I can live with that.
Good boy.
First of all, let me set it up. I can live with this. Come
10
on.
pips, stop, bro.
10 pips. Oh my god, on GJ though.
I think mine was like a 40.
Dang, GJ be wild. Okay, hold on. Let me see. No. Don't do this to me. Hold on, let me see if that was the one-to-one.
Big volume stepping in.
Let me see if that's the one-to-one. I don't like that volume. Okay, it's not for sure.
Big volume.
545? Matching up right there. Okay, it's not scary. If it would have broke past it, that'd have been a different story.
Got him.
Got me. No play. Got him. They said I'm gonna stop right here, and I'm gonna go do exactly. Oh wait, I mean, bro, at this point, realistically, in a real life situation,
at the 71.
It's gone for me at that point because it's already like basically there. Yeah, I'm pretty sure the next candlestick is gonna tell me what's good. Yeah, exactly. So that's a no play for me. Damn, that's rough.
Well, let's see if it goes up from here.
Okay. Watch. Ah, no. No.
Well, just play
it. Would have been risky.
I don't know if it hit yet.
Oh, it didn't hit yet. Hold on. Ooh. I don't know if I would. Hold on. Let me see. Because I would low-key play this.
Now you're getting into the mix.
I am getting too much in the mix. Bro. I'm just going to let this run. But, man, that would have spanked. I'm just going to let it run, though. I'm okay with it letting it run.
Yeah, it would have been a 1-to-1.
Because this is, I'm still looking at it, kind of. I'm still looking at this right here. Oh, because the ABC isn't terrible.
But the volume is.
With the it's New York, so I'm kind of like expecting it. But at the same time,
more volume.
But there's
more. While.
There's more volume than. So yet
that's day, like extremely high volume
Monday,
for GJ.
I really still believe this is gonna go bullish. Let me see how price is getting into here, bro. I'm gonna set it.
Volume just increased even more as it broke the lows.
Fake the lows.
Oh, then maybe it's good.
If it can fake the lows and then each other candlestick coming in is lower volumes, or you know what I'm trying to say here, but I would play still. But man,
that's a big volume.
Is
big. I would not. I just wouldn't.
I'm just so bullish on here right now, and oh my lord.
Well, you gave it away, but.
Oh wait, did I? Oh.
Yeah, when you're in the trade, don't switch time frames.
I mean, well, I set it up though.
Yeah, but you weren't in it yet.
I mean, what we had talked about, you gotta set it up if you're gonna play it, and if you're not gonna play it, then you gotta delete it. So, but I feel you though. You're right though. You are right. I wanted to more like zoom out and see why I would think.
Well, let's see. I don't know if it actually hits it because I can't tell from this.
Because angle. Right here is where I'm like this. If this structure can break here, then I'd be more bearish than anything. Because that's why I was questioning this sell to begin with, because I was like, it hasn't broken. It broke a 5-minute structure, so that was like good enough for me to be like, okay, yeah, I'm down to play it, like type of play. But this one right here is like, yeah, this hasn't broken. I'm okay with playing it, but this trend line broke. But I'm not like a trend line trader, so that doesn't mean much to me. Yeah, I'd go ahead and just fucking play it. 101 hit.
Get there at least.
Break even? Yeah, that's break even. Damn, and it's gonna go
barely too.
Alright, so that's a W, but I only got 1 point in.
Hey, that's a good point though.
I do actually kind of want to see what the result was, but I'm just gonna mark this up. Number 2, W, 5 to 15-minute buy. Yeah, it was scary, but it's just because of, like I said, it's just bullish, and I'm like, damn, what structure would it have broken that would make me be so fearful of buying this with this high volume? That's what my mentality was, you know? But I do want to see what this result is real quick. Give me a second. Oh, never mind. It came right back. All right, you're good. Um, January 25th at 7:45. Damn, that buy stop really would have got me. That's why you gotta put it above that high.
Yep. Or wait for a
Candlestick
nice
close. Exactly. Or wait for a candlestick close, because that's really the best option. Like, we've seen that the candlestick close.
Okay, you said the 25th ish.
25th at 7:45 p.m.
Three o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Okay. For me, I am making sure that I didn't delete the other trade. I guess I did. Whatever. I just want to keep them on the chart. Sorry. Quick, just so we can visually see it. Short here, and then it hit. Is that the trade? No. I thought it hit 1 to 2. Huh.
No, that's definitely not the trade. Wait, did it not hit 1 to 2?
Well, I swear it did, bro. What the hell?
No, that's where we were, and
What the heck?
wait, it didn't hit stop loss though, did it?
No, it hit. Wait, what? I'm tripping.
Okay, so that was the play.
And it took forever, and we were like, nah.
Right there.
Oh, okay.
Oh yeah, yeah. I'm about to say. I'm like, there is no way that did not hit.
Okay,
1 to
I'm
2.
tripping. Okay,
yeah,
whatever.
Okay, cool.
Okay, here we are. I'm waiting for a buy stop or an impulse, so I'm just gonna stay on the 15. That's not an impulse to me. If anything, if I was nitpicking, which we're not, this low right here in this momentum, I just want to see how this divergence fib, if it would have hit or not. Oof, barely missed.
Damn,
Okay.
it probably gonna hit right now.
I'm seeing possible 3-wave divergence on the 15-minute. I want to see what this might look like in this area. Right below these lows, that's an interesting spot. And no. Leaning towards no if it spikes. Leaning towards no if it spikes. Okay, hold on. Now we're in, or I'm leaning towards no still. So if I decide to make a decision, I'll say yes and enter right now. What time is it? 30. Okay, I need to go back a little bit so I can see if there's any 1 hour divergence. If there is, I will enter this trade. So let's go back a little bit so we don't give it up. Right here.
Good play, good play.
And then we go 1 hour. It is very much not my type of divergence. So I have to skip this. I'll go to the 5 and see if there's any divergence. I mean, technically, there is a little bit. Oh, interesting. It's a very ugly divergence, right? You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
But if there was better divergence on the 1 hour, I would play it. But since I've been saying that I'm leaning towards no, and then there was no divergence on the 1 hour, I'm just not going to play it. So let's just see what happens.
There you
No
go.
play. Alright. Unless this is like 30 pips on GJ and I just don't know. Okay, no. Alright. No play was good. I think they're... I don't want to play this fib. It's too much time in between right here. This might be something you'll look at.
That is hella something I would look at.
So that's interesting pricing right there. Huh, I really thought those highs were gonna break, and I'm surprised they haven't. So let's just keep playing because it hasn't done anything special yet for me. That's a little special right off this. You
Right off
probably
that
would have
78.6.
played
Yeah, I would have.
this.
Oh, hands down, hella would have played it. Easy money.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna go to the 5 minute and look at this impulse off that 78.6 and probably play this
No,
to the
that
upside.
would be literally the play. Yep. Mm-hmm. You about to make money off of this?
Okay.
Yo, you about to make bread?
Correction is chilling. Okay, we have this right here. I wonder if this is about to skyrocket, then this will get wrecked. Oof.
Oofa.
It hasn't gotten hit yet. I just want to see where this moving average is.
I'm about to be like, boy.
No. Okay. If it gives 3-wave divergence on the 5 minute after this type of impulse, I'll probably play it. Just in case it is like some crazy move. And that's a good no play on the divergence king again. You gotta know when to play, when not to. Alright, so this thing is coming back up here, huh? Very interesting. We got 3-wave coming in now. So I set it, I'm in it. Let's do it. Alright, let's go here to here. This is going to be a very awesome trade. Because it is in a good area here. It's either going to get blasted straight through, or it's going to be a dope little 30 for 30. And maybe with GJ I should do a little bit more than 30 because it's not EU or whatever. But hey, this is like literally. It's funny now the market's up here. I wanted to buy stop right here, and look, I'm selling it. How ridiculous.
How ironic.
Yeah, but look, we have this also setting up for me. So the lower time frames is what's giving me a trade, not even anything else. In fact, if I go to the 15-minute, it's probably going to tell me not to take this. And then the 1 hour is telling me not to take it either, but I'm going to go ahead and just take it on the 5. Because that's 3-wave. I said I would take it. I'm going to do it. And if this does this move right here, right now, that is pretty much the end of this trade. It does not, it needs to go there, just like that. It's a very risky type trade. It has to do what you want it to do. Okay. And this little bit of time right here is very sketchy. I'm talking when it doesn't do exactly, because now look, the 3 waves are almost back to the middle, and once the MACD comes back to the middle, it's pretty much balanced. This is a tough one if I want to hold it or not, just because number one, the other time frames aren't diverged, and this just didn't give me that little pop. But I'm gonna see what's good. Let me go candle by candle.
Oh, you in?
Okay, let's see. Do I want to just X this or hold it? I'm going to hold it. I think this is about to blow straight through this, but I'm going to hold it and see what's good. I've been right on all my divergence intuitions by not entering on the lower time frames unless the higher time frames are good to go. Right now, the higher time frame is not good to go. You can see right here, it's not good to go, but I'm still going to play it and see what happens. This is a lesson for all the divergence traders. Exactly. The buy stop would have been low key.
And the buy stop would have been you're right. It would have been low key.
So this is giving me
anxiety
vibes to get the F out, but because now it's like coiling up above resistance. I don't know what in the world is going on here. This is like the most major get out sign ever.
Yeah.
But let's just see what happens. Remember, we got this level of volume right here.
Okay.
real life divergence is.
Wait,
I
bro.
mean, divergence is out the picture at this point. There's no divergence.
But yeah, go and put the 50 EMA on there too.
Oh yeah, I need that. Oh, did I delete it on accident?
Whoops.
There's moving average.
What is it, like the 5?
Why won't it give me the settings?
Oh, it's the 9.
No, yeah. See, I mean,
Yeah, that
even
thing, yeah.
it's a break. Yeah, I would be trying to get out, obviously, but for backtesting purposes, oof, this one sucks now because it really didn't do what I wanted it to do, and now it's just holding in this bullish pennant slash flag slash. This is gonna hurt. Oh, well.
Slash BS.
It is really, but whatever. All it needs is just a baby pop, and you're out. Like that, you're out.
Damn, that thing is saying that. Sheesh, I'm Slim Shady and I'm the real Shady. that thing is being shady right now.
It's probably gonna do some like this stuff right when it gets to here. It'll drop.
That's funny. It would be funny as in like, wow, that's BS, but.
Golly, just get out of the trade at this point. You know what I'm saying?
What happens if it gave you like a 50 pip candlestick right here, right now?
To the upside? No.
Okay. Oh my lord.
Oh, it almost hit that level. All right, so the divergence L. But that's what I was saying, bro. I felt it.
You felt? No, you were pointing it out from the beginning. You were pointing it out from the beginning.
That one was no bueno.
All right, so -1 point for you, and then I'm at break even right now, basically.
Okay.
If you want to call it that.
Yeah, that was a -1. I'm up 3 points now.
All right. Okay, so yeah, yada yada. What time did you stop at?
It go to the stop line. There's like that little.
Oh yeah, wait, no, price just goes break out. I forgot. Yeah.
All right, stop it there. Go the 5 minute.
Oh yes, oh yes.
All right, that's where I'm at.
Okay. All right, so this bullish move right here. I mean, I might mess around and try to like at this point be like, yo, if you come back for me, I might try to sell you.
Woo! Now
life.
there's probably 15-minute divergence, but I'm not here for this divergence anymore.
Let me see what this is talking about.
I might low-key really have to take that off my entry arsenal and just keep it on like a confirmation arsenal.
You might just have to.
Because it's very risky. Every play, even in backtesting, is risky.
All right,
not even trading real money.
Oh man. Okay, hold on.
Take it off 10. Take it off 10.
Yeah, first of all, yeah, you're right. First of all, I'll take it off 10. Second of all, this really might be a play that I wanna invest in. This is actually a play that I want to invest. What time is it? Ooh, it's that JPY time. All right, JPY, come in, fuck with me for like a quick. Oh my lord, what am I even doing? 5 pips?
No, you better watch out.
I'm not doing this. 5 pips? I'm sorry. I have standards.
Oh man.
I didn't even take it out to dinner first. I was just playing.
Kevin Samuels over here.
Facts. May that man rest in peace. Oh, you see, it did 1-1 off the 6-1-8 though. So, but nah. That would have been scary hours. 5 pips? Ooh, I got some standards, man. What you mean? I'm the prize.
So what you think it's gonna do here?
About to take off. I mean, realistically speaking, buy stop above these highs is not a bad idea. What time is it? London session? Yeah, buy stops above those highs, not a bad idea.
There ain't nothing to the left.
Oh, wait, I hope that I didn't just, like, explode.
Oh, you're fine, you're fine.
It's all right though. I wasn't gonna play it anyways. Like I really wasn't. So
well, play it if you're gonna play it.
I wasn't. I really wasn't. I really was not. I was like commentating. Okay, what we got going on over here? There we go. Now we got a drop.
You're on 15-minute.
Yeah, that's fine. I'm about to look for that 5-minute low key, but if price comes back into here, I'm so down for the buy. You don't even understand.
I don't.
He's like, I don't, but okay.
I want to understand.
If this can give me an ABC as well, yes, I don't like. Never mind, it just shifted. But of course, it's because of the pricing. So let me add more pricing into the picture. Yeah, if price can come over here, I'm gonna need this bitch to hold. Sorry, YouTube, and then go bullish. I love cussing and then say sorry to YouTube. It's just funny to me. Okay. This 5-minute is so sketchy. I'm not even here for it. But what time is it? What time is it? 7 though? If it can break lower, then I'll be here for it more.
Ooh.
Yeah, there we go. Good no play. Like I said, if it would have came lower, I would have been down for it. But this is just when I've come to really really understand that when it does this bullshit right here, where it barely drops and then it comes right back in, I'm not playing it. I need it to hold here at least 3 candlesticks for me to be like, okay, yes, I'll play it.
Those are the moves right there. I bet it's about to take off now.
Oh, bro, it's about to blast off like Rick and Jimmy Neutron.
I love it.
Yeah, there we go. Oh, it's not, bro. What is this do? Okay. Let me see what we got going on here, because if this is really what it's about to do, then I'm about to mess around and be like, well, this is the lower high that you wanted to drop. I'm down to play you. And I'll call you a PlayStation.
Bet you won't go to the 1 hour and see what it's looking like.
Bro, that 1 hour is a bigger play, and I don't think it's gonna come down over here. But man,
you right.
If this can get down over here, I'm gonna play like a PlayStation. Wow.
This damn, you got Sega Dreamcast, dude.
This was sexy. This was Sega Dreamcast, but that is not giving me an entry. I'm gonna go ahead and set it up just in case it does give me an entry, but I super doubt it's not. Like, it is really a Sega Dreamcast. Damn, I actually miss Sega Dreamcast now that you mention it. Oh, wait. Okay, now I don't even know if I want to play it no more, because I hate how it rejected off of that 50 EMA. Let me see what we got going on over here. Did this go 1-1? It did go 1-1, so that just saved my butt. But I'm not going to take the trade, but I do want to see the results of it. Wow! Also, it would have double hold me. That's
dang,
bro. Do you see this?
GameCube,
bro. GameCube for reals. It really came down 3 times. Wow, that's funny. But anyways, and then it.
Oh, and then it gave it to you. How funny. That's the market right there.
That's the market right there for you for sure, man. I need some water.
You need some milk.
No, that was funny. Oh, that is funny. Okay, yeah, this thing is gonna take blast off. But I could never. After me seeing you do this 4 times, I could never. I'd be like, I would be shitting those bricks. It would have gone 1-2 as well. Damn. Okay. Show me what you're working with then, GJ. Alright, let's see what 15 minutes talking about. Keep going bullish, but if it drops, then I'll buy that, but I don't think it is. Dang, is it really going to?
Oh, man.
Okay, you see? Boom, another double. Yeah, fraud.
Oh,
Fraudulent activities. Fraudulent activities. This thing is gonna blast off, and now it makes me really want to buy stop right here. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. I love this. I love that takeoff. I love it. I'm doing it. And it's gonna be off the 15 minutes.
I agree. The takeoff is clean. Oh, you're going in on them, boy.
And I'm going right there. The takeoff is clean. I love it. Like, that's actually a really good takeoff. Like, shout out to that man. May his soul rest in peace.
Dang. Why are we giving all the...
Why are we giving all the recipes out here? Alright, let's go. That's 1-to-1. That's easy 1-to-1.
Oh, yeah.
That's easy 1-to-1. Okay, break even.
That's easy. Breakouts. Easier. Breakouts are easy.
Breakouts are like, bro, dang, this is what really is come down to.
I hope not.
All right, same. Well, actually, no, because breakouts, I be playing them on the cryptos, but now on regular regular pairs now. What?
Dang, son, you got help.
Come on, I did get help.
Help
I did
right
get
there.
help. Come on, don't do this to me.
Oh.
Come on, stay above the 50 EMA. Don't do this.
Give him some help. Ooh.
Come on, there we go. Boom.
There it goes.
There we go. 1-2 off the breakout. Thanks, shout out to Jimmy Neutron. But okay.
Dang, the blast off. It really happens.
This, I forgot, this was a 1-to-1. And then number 3. W. 15-minute buy stop. 1-to-2. Okay, so now I have 2 points.
That's clean.
All right. And right now I am at January 29th at 6:15 p.m. That is all you, good sir.
All right, nice play.
Nah, that was a nice buy stop.
We called that buy stop for a minute, so you hit that.
I mean, it was kind of the same buy stop as Euro USD.
Mm-hmm.
That was a clean play. We could have did better. We know this, but we still were able to capitalize, and that's all that matters.
Facts. Yeah, I mean, we could have held it more, but man,
we could have held it more. We could have had a better entry, but hindsight, you know what I'm saying? That hindsight button be stupid sometimes.
here was that volume that got hit back here. I'm gonna go over to before I get started, really. Okay, there's another level right there of volume. I'll play with that. 15-minute. You played this buy stop, right? And then it came up there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay.
The OG buy stop would have been nice either way.
Yeah, this one would have been clean.
The one that would have freaking bamboozled me.
This one right here would have been clean too on the 1 hour.
Yeah, would have really been clean.
Stop right here.
Yep. I was just about to ask you where's your stop going to be at. That's perfect, actually.
Okay, 1 hour has major divergence, but there's no divergence fib for it. So if this thing can hit this with divergence still, I would like that. This is just a level of volume. Let me go 4 hour. Flat. Let's go to the 1 hour. It still looks like this is possible, but I don't like playing that when there's like a distribution type play right here. So I don't know why I keep deleting the short position here, but
Bitcoin is a trip, bro.
what is it doing, dude?
It broke the highs and then it came right back down inside. That's funny. You'll see it later, but that's funny.
Scary. Yeah, with the dollar dropping like that, I'm sure it is doing some weird stuff.
Yeah, for reals.
Okay, 5 minute. I'm gonna wait on something else.
You know how to play that.
Oh yeah, you would play this hard.
I play both of those, the 5 minute and the 15 to 1 hour. This would be the pregame. Yeah, that's fucking stupid.
Okay. Would have got close if it didn't hit. Oof.
Oh, yeah, very nice.
Okay, I like this. I was gonna say it kind of looks. If it breaks this low, I might do a sell stop.
Ooh, that is a really good sell stop. If the volume is what I'm thinking it's gonna look like.
My computer's going a little slow.
Okay, I thought it was me for a second. I was like, is it just me or?
No, my volumes aren't loading up.
Oh,
Go to the 1 hour.
No, it popped up, but it's like
Okay,
it's at a perfect spot for you, bro.
Right here.
That's a perfect 1 to 2. And I'll buy that right there, that 1 hour, right after you. Perfect. Ooh, that man's about to get surgical with the cell stop.
Let's see what this looks like.
Boy's about to get surgical with it.
Okay, so far this is okay with me.
You can even up that a little bit more too.
Yeah, I'm gonna bring this to right here though. Okay, and then
Just an FYI, where your take profit is at is more than likely where I'm buying at for my next trade. So just already know you're about to be right up next. Oh, okay, cool, perfect, even better. Okay,
I want to see how this kind of.
He's about to make it even tighter.
Okay, here we go.
This fool's about to make it even. Oh damn, this fool's a legend.
All right, let's see how this goes. It's a 20 pip stop still, so I'm okay with it.
Yeah, for real, that's actually pretty solid. Okay, you in there like swimwear.
Let's go. I would ultimately, in real life, I kind of want a 1 hour candle to give me my entry.
Because the candlestick is somewhat of a 1 hour candlestick. Okay, I get that. What time is it?
Let me just play it till 55 and I'll say yes or no.
Okay.
Because we're at 40 right here. 35, 40. See.
Keep going,
45, 50.
Yeah, one way. No, you said it. I'll give it to you. I'll give that to you.
Yeah.
I'll give that to you. I'm okay with giving that to you.
Bet. I'm gonna keep it here, but it's not activated yet.
Because you're basing it off the 1 hour. I could respect that. I can
or at
respect
least
that.
something more than the 5. If the 5 minute candle would have did like, and I really want to kind of wait on a close of the candle more than a buy stop, but
no, and yeah, I was just about to say that. I was like, you would even play that in a real life situation because you want the candlestick to close underneath.
Yeah.
No, yeah, exactly. No, you're fine. Like I got you. I got it. I understand. I know that's something you wouldn't regularly do.
Oh, okay. So that's good momentum now.
I like that. It's about to blast off. It's about to do the same thing that it did for me earlier.
But now the stop is a little different, so I'm gonna have to see how this. If I'm getting in just like a. Here's what I'm setting it up as basically. Let's see what happens. Time. I need a 1 hour close. No, 7:15 though. Oh man, I'm just trying to get in a trade, yo. Okay, it's going this way.
It said nope.
Golly, it broke these highs and just took off.
Damn, that little 5 minute
Big
fib
momentum.
that little 5 minute fib that I would have messed around and played, it would have blasted off.
Damn, I was gonna say let's try to put a limit order right here, but I'm not going to. I just wanted to see like what this looks like from 40 pips. Let's see if it comes back down. I'm not playing this, but I just want to see what happens off this random line in the sky. Oh, hell no.
That
That's
random
got
high
another
in the
leg.
sky is about to be freaking broken.
How is it holding there? That's funny. It held there for a minute.
It's that volume.
Okay. Just
It's
wild.
that
And look
volume
how
profile.
smooth it moved between just like
For real. It's just like whoop whoop.
Alright. I'm trying to if it can come down. Let me pause this. If it makes another move up, I think I'm gonna look for a short on some like you son of a gun. That level hit and that trade would have hit.
That is funny.
um
These volume profiles, man.
Yeah, I'm looking at this as like sign of strength. We're probably gonna get a up thrust, test, and then a drop. So,
Would you try to play that 5 minute right there?
this sell, no, because I think it's gonna. I think this is the first sign of weakness, and we're gonna get a move up now.
It's too bullish for me to want to try to sell it there, anyways. Yeah.
There's this. That's exactly what I said.
Yep.
And then now we're gonna get pullback. Yeah, this is Wyckoff.
That is
Short that.
hella Wyckoff. Wow, that's funny. That's perfect. That was a perfect up thrust.
Yeah, after you get this big, and this is just money right here. After you get this big move, and then it gives you that little pullback, and then a push like that, get ready for it to like do a little move, and then a fake move down. This is like the fakest
area of
move
volume
you can think of. This is it. Even that, it doesn't even matter. Like this structure right here.
Bro, look at the time. Look at the time the volume picked up at it as well. Like, look at that volume pickup at that random time. Such a random time.
Random time of day.
So it's
Really
like
random. So
like
now
you said,
I
fake.
want to see if this fib divergence fib would have hit.
No, wouldn't have.
Oof. Okay, so now if it makes one more push up, I'm gonna look for a short.
Excuse me. Ooh.
Okay.
Let's see what we got. I'd be looking for buys here.
That's valid.
Ooh. Wait a minute.
That buy would have hit for you.
Yeah. Wait, actually, I don't think it would have entered. No, never mind. Yeah, there you go.
Smackaroonied.
Actually, I don't think I would have got an entry if it was bouncing off the 71, now that I think about it.
Okay, I'm gonna try to find an entry right here.
Ooh.
And if this divergence shit fails me one more time, no, I'm kidding.
Ooh.
This is really risky stuff.
If it can wait, so you would
I'm
want
gonna
it,
put a 1 to 2 on this one.
Wait, let me ask this question. So would you want it to just get up there like right on these next two candlesticks, or would you?
Yes.
Or would you be okay? So let me now. If it was 5 candlesticks, what would you feel?
As long as this volume is like this, I'm okay.
Okay, let's get it.
But with divergence, it is kind of, you do more or less want to see it like get to your entry fast, and as long as the momentum is still down, you're good.
Okay.
Technically this right here is starting to pop up, so that's like a bad sign.
Yeah, I was just about to ask. Yep.
This is just like a technical perfect kind of rising wedge, so I'm gonna play it, and the market is just going up, so I'm just gonna play it. I need to test these divergence plays, and this is the only way to test it, so I'll go with it. And I'm gonna just keep it on the 15 because
Okay, that's actually really
kind of where I
solid.
see it on. This probably, nope, not yet. Okay, almost.
There you
All right.
go. You in there.
That's okay.
That's a good entry.
It's a good entry, a good candle at
But
least for like a divergence play. The next candle really needs to either do this again or low key almost give me 1-to-1. Like,
because
especially
the
with
momentum
how
is building.
this is moving. Yeah, it's like you really want this to come right back and snap back into this. And then ultimately, if you're really correct, it'll roll.
All right, let's see.
But this type of divergence, I bet on the... I can go. I'm in the trade. I'm going to go to the 1 hour and just see what this 1 hour looks like. Okay, there is 1 hour divergence, but it's not the P in P that I really like. So it's like a weak divergence, but that's fine. We see what's about to happen. That's exactly what I said. Ooh, and it snaps right back in. That's very not cool. Okay, wig chase. There we go.
Okay.
There we go.
Oh, damn.
Is this 1-to-1 yet? Not even close. Okay.
That thing said not Daniel.
Well, this is going to be... Yeah, I would really want to get out right now, but I'm going to see what my divergence looks like right here.
Because that volume picked up too.
Golly, you just know when.
I like these candlesticks. Oh, never mind.
Yeah, I mean, real life, where I am out right here, but I have to see what the freaking... I'm going to tell you right now, bro, divergence entries, man, they are tough.
Oh,
all right.
man.
All right.
Oh,
that
man. That's 1-to-1? No, damn.
50 freaking EMA, I'll tell you that.
50 EMA for sure. That's like you be saying.
Or here, I have it at 30. Let me put it at 30 pips right here. 1-to-1, almost. Here, I'll just put that at 1-to-1. That's tough luck.
There we go.
Man, that one was
a tough one.
Not lovely.
Wait, what was your 1-to-2?
Pips.
Oh,
this would be 1-to-2 down there. I said on this one I would take it at 1-to-2, but after it messed around and did that,
you got to take it for the 1-to-1.
I'm gonna go 1-to-1.
And okay, so now you got to just see now.
And I'll just leave it here, and
for science,
press you. I'll let you take it.
Okay.
The rest of the way.
Because definitely I'm looking for a buy.
Yeah, I don't wanna ruin that. Yeah. Okay. For you possibly. Okay, divergence.
What time is it at?
You almost. It is 12:45 on the 29th.
All right.
Where's my record at?
On the 29th. Wait, 29th of
January.
Oh, well, first of all, my fib would not have even gotten close because I passed the time. But it's okay. I can keep going, actually, now that I'm really looking at this. Okay, so let me actually go into the 4 hour real quick. Mess around and find out what it's doing. So this thing is just going bullish. It's coming into an area of previous resistance. Okay, so I mean, realistically, there's no volume up at these prices over here, so I gotta go onto the daily at this point. And this same zone is to the upside as well up here, but only difference is that on the daily time frame, these volumes are actually pretty large to these upsides. So that's interesting to see. Majority of the volume is going to be up at 145.3. Where's this thing at? Majority of the volume, I'm going to put it right here, 145.233.
Right at those equal highs.
Right at those equal highs, breaking out real quick. So that's very interesting to see. Funny because this previous zone where I had that at, that's close to where the volume to the downside which is chilling at. And if I were to really play anything, I mean, it'd kind of be nothing right now. I have to do a lot of waiting at this point for some bearish plays. I mean, for some bullish plays. So let's go ahead and run this through with the 15-minute 3x.
Cryptos are zooming.
Bro, they are ridiculous, ain't it? Okay, so on the 5-minute, there's a possible sell opportunity, but I really don't want to get into any sells until this structure breaks, real life. Until this structure breaks, even it's more of this structure right here at this point for me that I want to see it get broken before I feel any sells, because I see a buy opportunity here that it would have missed, but this is what I want to play. So I'm just gonna go ahead and see how things go. That would have hit 1-to-1 off the 71%, but there is again a sell.
Head and shoulders.
There is a potential sell opportunity, head and shoulders, like P said. So it's like, whoo, man, 5-minute time frame. Price held.
Take those highs first.
It might take those highs, but price broke through this zone, and it held under this zone for the amount of time that I kind of that I'm okay with.
Hell no, fake out.
You think that's a fake out?
Hell yeah, it's right all the way back up in the middle of the range already.
It is back in the middle of the range.
But I mean, I think it could be a sign of weakness, but not a.
Let me see what we got
breakout
going on here. I like the ABC more than anything for the upside move if it can break down.
I just like the price action that has happened right where the 78.6 would be.
Oh yes, I love
the bearish move.
I love that bearish play right there. Hold on, who's texting me? Psst, get the fuck out of here.
I think I know who that was.
No, it wasn't.
Oh, okay.
I'm getting over it.
There you go.
Okay, I like this ABC. Yeah, I'm playing this. And I would go ahead and then be like, okay, let me see.
It's about to get there fast, I think, because of the volume profile. If it gets there
too fast, I wanted to hold at these levels right here for sure. Dang, why does 1 to 2 look so large? Wait, why does 1 to 2 look larger than regular though right now? Am I tripping? It looks right. It's 41 pips and 82, so it's right. But man, it's just looking larger than usual. But let's see what we got going on here with added pricing. Okay, I could live with this. I could live with the trade. Oh, I don't want to be on the 5-minute right now. I'll be on the 5-minute like when I'm in the trade, but not right now. Okay.
What about shorts right here?
I would definitely be down in real life to take them. Let me see.
5-minute.
Ooh, hold on. Give me a minute though. Oh, the 1-to-1 might have hit on the 71. I would sell this though. No cap, I would sell this. What time is it though? 7:45 is getting to JPY time. Yeah, I'm gonna sell this. I'm okay with risking my point or two for this. I'm okay with that. Real life. But then you know what would happen? The next sell opportunity, I put it at that fib right there. So that's even funny. But I'm okay. I just gave you like two plays that you could possibly make money off of. But it's okay. I could live with this. Wait, if it doesn't give me the entry though, it's gonna make me hot.
Ooh.
Oh fuck! What? I can't.
All right, I'll give you an opportunity right now.
Nah, I'm not getting in.
Okay, then exit, then delete it.
I gotta delete because it did the 1-to-1 off the 71. I gotta keep it playa. I gotta keep it 100. You know, so I was like, this is gonna drop though, man. That's crazy.
Let's see what happens.
Yep, there it is.
Oh,
I was already knowing, but I wouldn't do it, bro. I gotta keep it player. I gotta keep it 100. But drop now to give me this freaking buy over here. Keep dropping. It's okay. You don't need to be shy.
It's GJ with his sideways ass shit.
Yeah. It's funny because GJ loves doing this stupid BS right here. It loves to do this. And then it's going to drop, go touch the 61.8, then it's going to go BS a little bit. I caught it. It's going to BS a little bit, the 61.8, then it's going to drop to... Oh!
Ooh!
Oh, man. Come on. It gave me no chance. It said, yeah, I'm just going to chill over here and go bullish. All right, well, I mean, we know what's about to happen here, though. So no play on the buy. We know what's about to happen here. Dang, this sell would have gotten me out the trade out of this already. That's so funny. All right, but we know what's about to happen with this buy right here. So that's actually pretty solid. Wait, no! Wait a minute. Oh, dang. Okay, I think I can still do this. This might be another buy stop opportunity. Cause
yeah, now maybe, but it's coming into this support.
It's coming into this support that I do not care for.
But there's that point of control.
There's that point of control that I was looking at. I'm doing it. 15 minutes.
I'm doing it. Time of day.
I would have loved. Wait, what's? Never mind. You're right. I retreat.
I hope I don't.
No, you're right. I retreat.
Yes, I helped you. Maybe, depending on where you're putting your stop.
This, I would have put my stop like right over here, so I would have been shitting bricks, and 1-to-1 would not have even came close, so I'm okay. I'm okay with, like, not playing.
Shitting bricks.
I'm so okay with not playing.
Here comes the rocket ship if it doesn't tank.
I'm okay with not playing.
Yeah.
Come on, okay, give me something here. That open, that's Sunday open.
Yeah.
Yep.
New week. So that's a very bullish week on GJ. Keep that in mind. Weekly candle is huge.
First of all, I want this pricing right there.
Yeah, I see that.
Let me go ahead and put actually this daily.
I'll play a short if it.
Ooh, it got tapped though.
It's a good price though. Still,
it's a good pricing. Still.
And one thing is, even though things get tapped, remember when we were backtesting it?
That's
right.
Then prices were still holding. That's right.
Insane, crazy. So that's a good price still.
I don't know if I would have played that. Oh, this is an open anyway, so no, I wouldn't have.
No.
I'm still looking for this buy. Right at the 7 days.
Yeah, wow.
I love that. Wait, what the heck? Oh, it's because then it's not on. That makes sense. Okay. So let's see if we can get this drop. I feel like it's gonna keep going bullish though. Okay, never mind.
Heavy.
Okay, close gap. If it drops down a little more, I could play a 5-minute sell.
Little range here.
Come on, break. If it could break, I play this. Okay. It stayed down. It stayed down there pretty good amount. I would still play it. I would still play the 5-minute sell if it gets up there.
Here, flag.
Rise of volume. Oh no, not a rise of volume. I mean.
I feel like this is that first sign of strength type shit where it's gonna make a new high eventually.
Damn, it might, but I'm still down to take this out. Volume isn't crazy. Let's peep time of day. Yeah, I'm down.
Yep, I forgot we're playing GJ.
We're GJ, so it's like I'm down. I got, like after hours. That's the one thing about GJ is after hours.
Kind of.
Kind of, and it can still play out during the day, right? Okay, GJ, don't go and hit that 23.6. Alright, so let's see what we got going on here. London session? Yep, London open. I'm okay with the volume increasing like this. I'm not okay with the candlestick, but I'm okay with the volume. Getting up there. Don't do... Oh!
Yikes.
That is El Dorado off of this next candlestick. Man, I'm about to take a L today. Yep. That's that juicy L. About to go right back up there. Damn, I thought it was going to come down here. It didn't, but it's all good. It is all up. Okay, so let me actually gain some notes here. First of all, price is extremely bullish just because it breaks through the structure that you wanted it to break through. The way how it retraced up, it was retracing up here during London, which I would have, no, it would have just got me. This would be one that just got me because the volume is decreasing overall throughout, like from this high that volume made, and then it just was decreasing on the 15-minute. It would have just got me because I should have been like, mind your business and play buys. All right, so that's all you. The time is 3 a.m. on Wednesday, February 10th. Let me write this down real quick though. 4L 15-minute bear. Well, I'll say 5 to 15 minute.
You said Wednesday when?
Wednesday on the 10th. On the 10th at 3 a.m. Yep. All right.
Dang, you went far.
I'm saying.
You went all the way to the 10th, are you sure?
I ain't positive.
Dang, okay. I gotta get onto the 1 hour.
It was a rough February start for GJ, let's just say that. What time is it? 9:52, all right.
We got one more trade in us.
Yep, for both of us. That's that stop right there.
Okay, so that's where you are then?
Wait, was it that stop? No, there's no way. That's where I would play.
That's
where
it.
That's where I'd be looking for the. Let me just go back and take a look.
Yeah, I don't think that was it. I think that was the buy stop.
No, yeah, Wednesday 10th. Wednesday the 10th is where I stopped at. Would you have played anything on here?
It looks like this divergence coming up right now. I probably would have tried to figure out something right there. But other than that, no, I don't think so.
Okay, I thought so. It would have been a slow start for GJ if that was the one and only pair we traded. There it is.
Okay, so I'm seeing divergence on the 1 hour. I'll mark this divergence fib off. And then I'm not even going to go to the 4 hour. It's just very bullish. Let's delete this and this. My computer is starting to go slow now, I guess.
It's like, my boy.
That's fine.
My boy, you out here putting this work in.
All right, let's see here. is a possibility, but it's not really my style. I think this is more of
That's
like
AB fib.
I think this is more of like a stop hunt move. And we're about to get this, maybe even this, and then a roll down. I'm waiting for that.
That'd actually be fire.
Kind of.
That does look like an AB fib.
In fact, since there's already divergence on the 1 hour, if this pops off, oof, it's kind of risky, but it might be okay. Let me just see how it looks candle by candle. No, bull flag. Okay, that's not it. That's not the move. But that stop hunt definitely
got me.
Yeah. Okay,
that thing got me, and it's about to drizzle. Oh, that thing did the freaking move right after. That's rude. Would you sell that?
I don't think this would have hit.
It wouldn't have. That's 71. Yep. Would you sell that?
No, only because I think it's going to still go a little bit higher, and it hasn't really broken structure. This is just like
that's 5 minutes.
That's not structure to me.
Yeah.
So,
okay. Thought so.
On the 5 minute, let me just see what it would look like. It would look interesting on the 5 minute, but then I would just say like it just came into this area to move up. So I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna get on the 15 minute and wait though. And it would have played out a little, a lot.
Did it hit?
I don't know.
It doesn't matter.
Ugliness. Very ugly. Yeah, I'm seeing one more move up and then a move down. Very sideways. Nothing for me to play when a market does that. Even if it starts to break out. I hope it does this. Yeah. Okay. There was probably some 5 minute plays right here, but not for me.
Nothing
not
here.
For me.
Nothing here for
but
me.
I want to see this start to come up into
Breakout
my area.
status?
Let me go to the 1 hour. Maybe I might look at that because the divergence is heavy, but it just came back into the 50 EMA. Let me see here.
You're not
this
down.
High would be my breakout candle high, and I would wait for the 1 hour to 15 minute if I was going to play it. So let me just play it like this. And
you're not down.
Okay, hold on.
Well, you gotta play that.
Yeah.
Or at least put it like 2 pips higher. But you gotta play that.
Let me see how how many pips this is away.
Oh, that's cash.
Okay, 40, and then I'm gonna get away from this so I can go to the 1 hour. I'm not looking at the price. I need to see what happened in the past on a higher time frame over here. Not looking at the price. Where are we? Price is way up here, huh?
I have no idea, to be honest with you, at this point.
Okay, yeah, it's way up there. All right. Here is a area, and then yeah, wow, way over here.
It's blast off time.
Okay, let me see. Let me bring in the man. Yeah, there's just nothing above this line, so I would say the next area would probably just be right there, even though there's not a lot of volume on it. And then after that, it would be way up there. Okay, so these are my little marks that I got. Let's go back to the 15 minute. And okay, we've already broken like a lot of the marks. So
that thing is going high.
This thing is about to go up. Let me go to the... I'm gonna play a 1 hour break and hold. Okay.
Oh,
well, damn.
Oh, damn.
That's some shit.
Big rip to you, bruh.
Huh. Okay. Well, let me see what this looks like. I'm not going to enter yet, but let me just see what this looks like. I'll take
that's
this and
still
see what
gonna hit.
this does.
That's still
Even
gonna
though
hit.
I hate this right here, this might still hit.
It's still gonna hit. That's 1-to-1.
Almost, I think.
No, that's 1-to-1.
Yep. Wow. Okay, 1-to-1's good.
Because, bro, this strategy it should be able to work on all time frames.
Right.
Just like how, like, I mean, boom, 1-to-2, easy money.
Bada boom, bada bing, motherfuckers.
Easy cash money. All right.
Where's
so your statistics?
All right, so I did pretty damn good this session.
Nice. 4 W's, 1 L. Very nice risk to rewards.
And the L was spoken about very
adamant.
We don't like this trade.
All right.
So that makes it a total of 6 for me. It is 5 minutes. Where's the price? The February 14th at basically midnight.
Okay.
Close to midnight.
Got it. Thank you. Okay, so right now I have 3.
And that, by the way,
right
that
now.
trade was a Friday trade that was held into the weekend. So that's kind
of... yeah, that's kind of weird. What would you do in a real life situation?
Not hold that into the weekend. Hold it at the divergence fib that almost would have smacked too. Look at that.
That's funny.
All right.
Go ahead and, or actually you're fine. But look, so I got 1 point. I'm taking this L today, but let me go ahead and finish off with a bang. At this point, I'm only looking for buys, real life. I'm not looking for sales at all right now. It did hit a level of support to the left. Oh yeah, big level of support, and it's just gonna end up coming into this zone right here. So I'm gonna have that marked off for the high. Deleting that. And there are plays that I want to play, but it's like I have a lot of waiting to do. So dang, GJ is just blasting off. I don't have any, well, 15-minute time frame. Just so this move that it made, this is my issue. It's been so bullish that trying for me to just, oh, you could play this fib right here, it's kind of suspect because of how bullish this has been. And then when you go into the 15-minute time frame, like when you go into the 15-minute time frame, I just would need this structure to break for me to look for sales, quite honestly. So this, let me see, 'cause I don't think that would have hit. Yeah, like this, like, what's the volume looking like when price gets to the entry? So this is where London session would be all at.
Move it to 3x.
Oh, I do need to move to 3x. That's why I got there so fast. Makes sense. But yeah, I'm not gonna play this. Even if it plays out, I'm not gonna play it. Play it out. It's okay. No, it really is fine because like it was already sped up, and the entry would have already passed. So it's like, okay, I can't play it anymore. This did a 1 to 5, or at least I think. That's cool. Yeah. This bear might get played.
Okay. Where from?
I'm about to find out right now if it doesn't keep going lower.
What if you sell stop it?
Okay, first of all, sell stop isn't available, but I would have probably. But this, I mean, was what I was talking about.
Ooh, what about the fib from a little higher though? Remember,
That's
this is
the
like
issue.
this looks like EU right now.
Yeah, so we're about to
Or
mess
S&P.
around or so 2 o'clock. So London session candle, understandable. Ooh, I'm gonna
I
play
would
this
move
one.
that fib up.
I want to move the fib up, but I want to see what the stats are looking like. I'm already taking the loss to you, so it's okay. Okay, that other fib is now looking much better.
Agreed. And there's been rejection right there at the 786 previously. Oh yeah, twice. That's solid. If I was gonna play a fib, ooh, okay, interesting. Changes things
It
maybe a
changes
little.
thing a little bit.
Ooh.
It changes thing quite a bit. And oh man, let me tell you this right here.
Yeah, that's sitting wide open.
Wide open. Yeah, this is gonna have to get played right here, only because of where that POC is at. Or
So
not the POC,
I'm
but the
gonna
volume
note
of that.
the volume right now on the rise into it.
All right. And
stuff. That's not too bad.
and it's 2:30 London session.
Hey, go for the full extendo to win.
Go? If I go for the full extendo to win, that's gonna be funny.
You got it.
Let
You got it.
Let me see. Let me see. I got the juice. It's okay. Although realistically, I would have gone for the 1-4. All right, we in there. That candle is not the best looking candlestick. I just want to point that out. Let me go into the 5-minute time frame and look at this. Oh yeah, I'm holding this. Give it to me. Come on, don't do this. Hold on, now I gotta look at the other fib.
Oh, it's about the smackaroni.
Oh, that other fib is about to get smacked, bro. All right, so this is definitely something that we got to now pay attention to for reals. All right. Ooh, I like that candle close. All right, smackaroo on the stop loss. Are you gonna smackaroo on the drop down? Oh, hold on, it's not even my turn anymore. But yeah, I'm okay with taking that loss. I was already taking the L.
You're good.
I was already taking the L. All right, so this backtesting session, I went 3 L's and 1 W, or 3 L's and 2 W's. Because Payton wanted to take up all the good plays. I'm just playing.
Yeah.
5 to 15 minute, and then 1 to 1 L. So I basically just broke even at that point. So
right.
It's not bad, not bad. All right, my boy.
All right. Well, that was
Good stuff. Good stuff.
You won the first time. I won the second time.
Okay, it's all right. It's all right. I'll get you next time.
Right. Well, I'm keeping stats in my head.
Oh, you better. I wouldn't expect nothing less. All right, bro.
All right.
I'll catch you later.
All right, dog.
Thanks
Peace.
for hopping on, whoever watches and whoever hopped on, and we'll catch y'all later.